This is Pakistan's best dough kneader, Aata Goondne की machine, Abdullah AE900A, 3.5 kg capacity. It is being checked for a Daraz order on 6th April 2024. This is the shipping label. It has a metal blade, a measuring flask, a plastic blade, and a warranty booklet. The machine is okay from all the sides. There are no damages. It is a freshly taken out carton packed piece. This is from the back. We will show you from the bottom also, where you can see there are no damages, no breakages. And now we will start the machine. The machine has started. Its sound level is quite low. You can easily knead dough within 3 to 5 minutes in it. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. Then we pack it in its genuine carton. This is the carton, which has a safety thermopore at the bottom, safety thermopore at the top for safe packaging. Then we pack it in brown sheet, and finally in bubble wrap or shrink wrap with fragile stickers pasted on it. There you can see the machine has automatically stopped, so it is perfectly okay and ready to be packed. And now we will pack it in its genuine carton as we just informed you. Orion Engineering Company, Karachi.